Hello guys, welcome to Creativity Area. Today we are going to see how to make a desk organizer part 2. So let's start. We need only two things, glue and origami paper. So let's start. So first you have to take an origami paper. I have taken orange color paper. Now turn it to the colorless side. Keep it. Now take one end and fold it to the other end like this. It should be perfect. And then make a clean crease. Now open it. And now you can see the crease, right? Now take the same end and again fold it till the crease only this time. And again, nice crease. Again take the other end and fold it till the crease. Now open it. Now you can see there are 3 creases, 1, 2 and 3. Now you have to do it the same on this side. We have did from this side, now from this side. Again fold it fully to the other end. Make a clean crease. Again open it and take the other end and fold it till the middle crease. Again turn it, again fold it, and now we have to open it. Now you would see like grids, here one square, here one square, here one square, like that. Now what you have to do is take one corner and fold it till these 2 creases like a triangle. You have to do it till all the 4 corners, 3 corners, like this. Okay. And again. Now what we have to do is take any one side, this side or this side. I am choosing this side, and flip it to the colored side and to fold it right around this color. You have to fold it. Nice. And again do it in this side. Now you should get a rectangle shape like this. From this side it's full color, non-colorless color. Now flip it to the colorless side again. Now you can see there are 3 creases. Now fold it. Now you can see there is a rhombus here. Now open it. Fold the middle crease again like this. And now what you have to do is you have to insert this corners into this flaps like this, and again this corner into this flap. You have to push it nicely. Now you can see it's already becoming a pen stand. Now we have to do this shape another 5 times. I will come after doing that. So I have finished 4 of them. This is the last one, and I am going to show you again how to do it. Flip it to the colorless side. Fold it. two flaps. By the way, when you are inserting it into the two flaps, you have to make sure that this doesn't pop up like this or bend. So if it bends, just press. Again take it out and again put it and press it. Now you have to slowly insert it to all the way, both sides. Keep pressing it so it doesn't bend at the middle. If it bends, it will be not nice to look at. See, like this, it should not bend. Just press it. And you can see it is a curved side right here. Yeah, if you want to fix it, just press this two sides like this and back and hold it for a second or two. And again. Now take a stapler, optional, and staple these flaps so it doesn't come outside. I'm going to do that because I don't want it to tear off. Now here we go. We have 6 shapes like this. So our pen stand is almost finished. You can use it right away by keeping this and adding pens and clips right here. But I want it to be strong, so I'm going to use some Fevicol. So the basic idea is I'm going to keep this one. With the colored side should be outside, facing outside, and the colorless side or white color side will be stick together like this. You can see it becomes like a circular stand. We want it to be like this. So I'm going to use glue to make that. You can use normal school glue, but I'm going to use synthetic resin adhesive so it becomes strong. I'm going to use this. Take a stick, take a little bit and apply it to the sides. You would ask, Aditya, why did you make another desk organizer? You have already made this desk organizer, right? I made another desk organizer, this one, because I thought this would be very tough to follow. So I made an easy one. So that only I made another video of desk organizer part 2. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you like the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification button and like the video. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. This is Aditya signing out.